Activity 2.15, Class 10 Science NCERT, second chapter Acids, Bases and Salts. We are going to study about water of crystallization. Solid can be defined in two major categories, crystalline solid and second is amorphous solid. Amorphous solids such as glass do not have any orderly molecular arrangement, but crystalline solids have well-defined order in their structure. How the crystals are found in shape? Let us take the example of common salt. Now make a concentrated solution at some higher temperature. Ions of the salt get dissolved, but when we lower the temperature, their ions recombine and form a network of the bonds. But this time when they are rebonding, positive ion get associated with negative ion and negative with positive ion and so on. And during this process, they discard impurities into the solution only. During this, they get solidified, but this time they have a proper structure. So now it is called crystals. Crystals are the purest form of their respective solids. In the same way, if we make concentrated solution of copper sulfate on high temperature, then keep it for cooling, it will form pure copper sulfate crystals. But here, along with copper sulfate molecules, some water molecules also get adjusted in a crystal and they help to give a proper definite shape to the crystal. Now listen carefully, they don't react with molecule, they just get adjusted in their internal structure. In different kind of salts, these number of water molecules varies in the number. This is called water of crystallization. So here is one interesting task for you. You have to find out what is the water of crystallization of common salt, that is NaCl, sodium chloride. In copper sulfate salt also 5 molecules of water are get adjusted. 4 molecules are directly attached to copper and 1 is adjusted nearby. And we can see the arrangement of molecule in this picture. Salt with water are called hydrated salt. Hydrated copper sulfate salt is blue in color. When we heat the salt, water of crystallization evaporates that you can see on the surface of the test tube wall. Now dry copper sulfate becomes white. On adding water, blue color of copper sulfate crystal restored. Now in your book there is another example given and that is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is a calcium sulfate hemihydrated white powder. When we add water in it, it becomes gypsum. Now the formula is calcium sulfate dot 2H2O. Gypsum, calcium sulfate dot 2 water molecule is a hydrated crystal, means one molecule of calcium sulfate contains 2 molecules of water of crystallization. In the same way, when we heat gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and that is plaster of Paris. In plaster of Paris, we said copper sulfate hemihydrated, means copper sulfate having half molecule of water. Here you can say how we can cut one water molecule into half. Actually, it is an average. 2 copper sulfate molecules share 1 water molecule. So with 1 copper sulfate, we write half water molecule. Now have a recap and some important questions. What is water of crystallization? Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of salt. So what is the color of the copper sulfate after heating? That is white. What is the color of copper sulfate before heating? Blue. Do you notice water droplet in the boiling tube? Where you have these come from? Yes, there are water droplets and they are coming from copper sulfate crystal. What do you observe? Is the blue color of copper sulfate restored? Yes, on adding water, blue color of copper sulfate crystal is restored. It becomes blue again. Now next question is plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Explain why. So you can easily find out plaster of Paris easily absorbs water and forms hard gypsum. Thus, if plaster of Paris is not kept in moisture-proof container, then all plaster of Paris will get converted into gypsum. Please write some uses of plaster of Paris in my comment box. In many competitive exams, it is often asked, what is dead burnt plaster? Actually, when plaster of Paris is heated above 393 Kelvin, its water of crystallization is lost and the leftover anhydrous calcium sulfate means CaSO4 is called the dead burnt plaster. It is known as dead burnt because it does not set like plaster of Paris when moistened with water. Please click on my channel name that is given below this video. Go in my playlist and watch my entire playlist chapter wise. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Jai Hind.